So hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the snapping toolbars. Here you can find it in the bottom. In any case, if you don't find it here, just right click on the toolbar and just click that show panels, and you can see this O snap. Just click this. This is an object snap toolbar, so that you can drag it and place it anywhere you want. So I'm gonna close this and I have it here. Snapping toolbar is basically used to snap objects. So let's create a box here. Okay, I'm gonna turn off everything and I will explain one by one. Okay, so now not a single snapping option is turned on. In this case, if you want to place an object, you cannot snap anywhere on this object. If you want to move here, we can randomly move anywhere, but we cannot properly snap anything. That's because we have turned off everything. So now let's turn on this end object snap. So now if I want to snap this, we can snap. Let's create a point again. So if I want to place a point in the end, we can place it. Just click. Now we have placed exactly the end of this object. So if I want to move, let's say if I want to move this object, just type move and you can snap this end. Click and move it anywhere you want. Same as this, all the other snapping tools will work. Let's see about near. Near will helps to snap near the edges. So let me just place a point. So if I want to place a point on the edge, we have to turn on this near. If you turn off, we cannot snap here, but when it's turned on, we can snap the edges and we can place anywhere. And the point object snap, we can snap points. If I want to move this to this point, we can snap. And here we have a midpoint. Let's turn on this. So if I want to draw a line in the center of the object, we can use this midpoint. This will snap the midpoint of an edge. Just select here and we can also snap the midpoint of the lower edge. Now we have created a line in the object. Same as everything will work. Center, let's create a circle here. If you want to place a point in the center, we can use the center. Just move your cursor near the curve and just click on the curve. I mean, when it show the center like this, just click on it. This will automatically snap the point in the center of the circle. Same as this, everything else also works. Just intersection, perpendicular, tangent, quad, knot, everything. Like if I turn on everything, we can snap the perpendicular. And if you want to snap an intersection, here you can snap the intersection like this. And here we have vertex. Vertex is also a end snapping object for meshes. Like if we have any mesh, let's create a mesh box. In meshes, we cannot use any of these snapping toolbars. Like if I want to place a point in this object, we cannot snap. We can snap here, but we cannot snap in the mesh object. So for that, we can use this vertex. Like if I select this, we can see a lot of lines, mesh lines. By turn on this vertex, we can snap the edges. I mean the endpoints. So vertex is used only for the meshes to snap the endpoints. And here we have project, but I will talk about project later in another video with the project command, because if I talk about this now, nothing will make sense. So if you don't want to use any of these snaps in the middle of the project, just click on this disable. This will disable all the snaps instantly, because sometimes turning all the snaps will make your workflow complicated. In that time, we can use this disable. If you want to enable, just click again. So that's it about today, guys. I'll see you on the another video.